true present. That's made present. So, dapat po, yan ang sabi natin, ang let's go on, not zero run for the opponent and closing part. Thank you very much. That's true. Okay, nasa ngayon po ang resulta. Okay, kung meron na po ba ang ating mga dance group? Okay. Mag-recap muna tayo. For the recap, the Ninja Saga crew. Ninja Saga crew. And right. United Dance Crew. That's it. And Robert Keith Dance Crew. Okay, let's start with the third place. Third place. The third place is none other than ang nagkakaisang grupo, United Dance Crew. Yan, ang ating third placer, United Dance Crew. They will receive 1,000 pesos. Okay. And Olive, ikaw na ang magsabi ng ating. Okay, thanks to United Dance Crew representatives. Here is your cash prize. Congratulations and God bless.